forever, ever hold or never mind. Oh,
Beautiful Libras, I welcome you all to Soul Sparrow. कैसे हैं आप लोग? I hope you guys are well. My new joiners, I welcome you on board. Thank you all joiners for loving and supporting. So let's see, what do we need to see for your July predictions? Okay, what is July bringing in upcoming weeks? What do you need to see? The energies supporting you, how things are going to pan out. So I'm going to pull out a Moonology oracle for you. I'm going to clarify the same with the Lightseer deck by pulling the tarot, and then we close the reading with the notes from the universe. Okay, all my information is in the description box. Kindly have a look, like and subscribe if you have not. That would mean a lot. Let's see. Show me the messages for my Libras that I need to see. Do watch a sun, moon and rising Libras, and cross watches please use your inner compass for a clear picture. Okay, no reversals on the channel, no genders unless I'm guided through. Full moon eclipse. So maybe something, kind of happened. 1 second, my camera moved. So they've given me a Gemini card for you, Aquarius as well. This is your energy. So you are in that state right now wherein you can change it. You are the creator of your life. However you want to make things work out for you, it's in your hand, because with the Magician here, it says that something is starting afresh now for you. And it's very much within reach, but what is holding you back could be a dispute with your partner, spouse, in work, relationship, whatever. Something which is not settled as yet. There's lack of harmony, hands down, that I see. They've asked me to shuffle, that's why I did. So with the Magician, what else we need to see for our Libras watching? Let go of your resentments, please. Maybe you're dealing with a Gemini, again an air sign, definitely, or could be a water sign. 4 of Cups, maybe you are feeling like that. You got water in your chart. Someone is not feeling complete. Something is not complete as yet. It needs to complete. Knight of Swords, that's what they're saying, that you have to go towards it, complete it, and complete it with that understanding. With the Fool Aquarian energy, that's what they're saying, that you have to let go of your old patterns, your old ways, the way you've been doing certain things in life. Please learn to forgive. Okay, learn to forgive so that you can free yourself from the karma, not the other person. You free yourself from the karma. Okay, and that's very important, because your control issues are really high. For some Libras that I'm reading and resonating, do not shoot the messenger. I'm just sharing what I see for some. Maybe this is not for you. So it's really about bringing back that harmony. And with the Fool here and the Magician, it's a lethal combination. You can do that. You've got the power. You've got that strength. You've got that ability. You're very influential as a person. You have that kind of influence on people. And in the past, like because of this energy, 4 of Cups, 3 of Swords, air energy, it is like you have felt hurt, betrayed, upset, terribly chaotic. But that's what they're saying, all is coming into place now, because it's going to bring back harmony. It is about also working on your shadow self. Okay, that is what this is about, the full moon eclipse. Work on your shadow side, work with your darkness, see what is not right with you as well, Libras. Okay, and that is where your anxieties, your stresses are going to go. That is where you will be in a much easier, better position. And once you're there, you would know how you need to kind of bring that about. We've got the Strength, Leo energy. So it's just that the advice to you is that all is being set right for you. The Spirit is really supporting you. The Spirit is really guiding you through. They are telling you to keep a positive mindset. They're asking you to start afresh. They're saying to let go of all the resentments that you were holding in regard to work, family, love, relationship, etc. Initially. Moving on, they're reminding you that you are capable of so much more with the Strength here, or maybe you're dealing with somebody strong, fire sign, right? You would have an amazing impact on your professional life in days to come, and you will experience that your projects will work out, your obstacles will be taken away. Why? Because you're putting in the effort now, and that is where, spirit is saying that, they're blessing you with so much more. For people who are in love, they would think about getting married. For people who are in a commitment, they'd like to take that commitment to the next level. For people who do not have harmony in a relationship, you would like to sort those things out because it's in reach. It is about to end and come to an end. For some who are dealing with children, the spirit is saying that your children are safe, your children are good. And they're just saying that drop your control issues so that, all falls into place in divine order. And what is meant for you shall come to you. And that is what they're saying. That this is the mantra you need to remind yourself that what is meant for you shall come to you. Don't rush towards it so much like with the Knight of Sword and you have to go, I have to get it done. Don't do that. And release it all. Your past fears, just release them all so that you can move freely. Okay? It is the right time. It is the right time to forgive and forget. It is the right time to embark on a new journey with the Fool and the Magician. And you'll be able to do it so beautifully. Amazing reading, Libras. Let's see what we have for you from the notes of the universe. Show me the messages to the universe needs to give to my Libras watching, resonating. Joy is the ultimate creator. Drop all that is taking joy away from you. Get back into that sense of happiness. Remind yourself that you're worthy. Remind yourself that you've got good people around you. Your family is amazing. Your children are amazing. It's about self-worth, really, Libras. It's about knowing that you're capable of so much more. It's about reminding yourself that how much you've been blessed with. As long as you work with your shadow side, work with your darkness, and you take control of it by meditating, by spending more time with spirit, and releasing it all, and just being happy. Just know that whatever happens will happen. Whatever has to happen will happen, right? And not think too much about it. Okay? So, this is what I have for you. And if this resonates, give us a like and subscribe. And I shall see you the next time. Until eternity. Bye.